Hey guys, I'm testing out uh, the Cydia app, and yes, my iPhone 3G is jailbroken. I'm testing out the app Kycorder, and as we all know, the iPhone 3G, which I'm using at the moment, can't record videos, but I'm doing that now using Kycorder from Cydia. I'm just testing it out, and that's it. So if you see, when I do like this, it looks fine, but when I move into the dark, or what you should call it, when I do this, you can see it gets laggy, and that's because there's no lighting. But if I go back to the light, there's no lag. So this application works best in daylight, and that's pretty much it. So if you have a jailbroken device, or at least a jailbroken 3G, go ahead and try this app. It's called Kycorder. Once again, you can go to my doobly-doo and find the name. That's it. Just a little video. Yeah, have a nice Friday evening. Catch you guys later. Bye.